Welcome to my channel! So, welcome back guys. We have a very quick unboxing video for today. We have a new figure, si Lloyd Forger. And at last, unti na lang mako-complete na natin ang family ng mga Forgers. So, si Bond na lang ang kulang. And if you would notice, iba-iba, galing sila sa iba-ibang figure line. So, eto si Anya from Pop Mart. Etong si Mamayor. Same sila ng line ni Lloyd, which is Bandai. Pero magkaiba ng line ng boxes. So, si Bond na lang ang kulang namin and mako-complete na namin at last ang Forger family. We also have pins to unbox nga ba to? Unpack. So, this is Blind Series. Ito yung Gongcha Pop Mart collab ng Pino Jelly. So, buksan natin yan later. So, unahin natin si Lloyd Forger. So, buksan na natin. Ayan. I-open natin siya. Itabi muna natin tong ating pang-rotate. So, let's open the box na. Actually, dito tayo sa ilalim. Paano ba? Ito. And, dyan. So, ganun lang yung box niya. May plastic sa loob. May cover ng box. So, ito yung buong box pala. Para makita ninyo. So, here's the box. This is Lloyd, Spy X Family, Vibration Stars, Bandai, and ito yung art. So, let's check. Oh, okay. So, ano pala siya? By piece. Iwa-hiwalay. Ito kasi si Mamayor, isang piece lang siya nung in-unbox namin, nung nilabas namin yung kanyang figure. So, ito, para siyang manananggal. Kasi hati-hati pa siya. So, let's set him up real quick. So, meron siyang stand. Let's see. Dito. Ito yung leg part ni Lloyd. Ito yung gun part ng accessory niya. Ang hirap bunin. Ayan. Napakaliit. Ayan. And yung buong body na ni Lloyd. So, let's open. Actually, medyo natagalan kami maghanap ng figure ni Lloyd. Kasi ang madami, si Anya at si Mamayor. So, eto. Let's go. And yung mga nakikita naming figure ni Lloyd nung nag-iikot kami at naghahanap, hindi namin gusto. And so far, eto. Ito nagustuhan namin. Yeah. Yan. And where is his gun? Ito. Ay, galing oh. Nakasokpit pa yung daliri niya talaga doon sa baril. Oh, yan. Wow. It's really nice. Goes really well with your... Ayan, parang ganyan sila. Perfect. Let's place him na sa stand niya. Tama ba to? Ayan. Yan. Oh, perfect. I love it. Ganda. So, ayan. So, I guess this is really not much of an unboxing because it's not really a surprise, or rather, siguro unboxing nga naman kasi in-unbox naman natin. So, hindi lang tayo masyado na surprise kasi we already know what's inside. So, yan na. Perfect. Ganda. So, si Yor, ilalagay natin dyan. And then si Anya here. Ganyan magiging design nila dun sa table ng display nila. Perfect. Very nice. So, moving on to our next unboxing. So, eto nga, as mentioned, yung Pop Mart, meron silang collab with Gongcha, yung Pino Jelly line. Meron silang pins. So, eto siya. If you would see, eto yung pins na meron, which is 4. So, I like them all, except for this. I guess dito yung list na gusto ko. So, sabi dito, you just need to purchase a single receipt or you need to have a single receipt with drinks ng Gongcha. And then, you will have an option to buy or a chance na to buy the pins, the secret or ano ba? Hindi man secret. Parang yung mga pins. And it's for 279 each. Hindi to pwede sa delivery. It's only walk-in. And there's no time frame sa promo until supply lasts. Based dun sa napunta naming Gongcha, marami pa naman silang stock. So, yan. Perfect. So, let's see kung ano ang ating nakuha. Let's unbox na. Sumuna natin dito. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so ito yung nakuha natin. Ito yung list na gusto natin. Pero ang ganda niya ha. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Ang ganda. So, sino siya? Wala man lang card. I don't know kung sino siya. Anyway, hanapin ko na lang kung sino siya. Kung ano siya. Hindi. Baka dito sa likod ng pin. Sige, tingnan na natin yung likod ng pin din. Para makita ninyo. So, ito. Gongcha. Pop Mart. Very premium yung feel and look. Ganda. So, let's put it back. Hopefully, hindi repeat ang makuha nating next. So, perfect. Let's open the next box. Or, hindi pala ito box. Pack. So, yeah. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Very sad. So, eto, parehas silang nakuha natin. So, pag gusto nyo i-trade, go, message me. So, eto na yung nakuha natin. So far, masaya naman. So, that's it. I guess that's it for this very quick unboxing video. I'll go ahead and see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! See ya! Yoo-hoo! If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Your support means everything. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you're always in the loop for my new uploads. I've got new content for you every weekend, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. Catch you in the next one. Stay awesome. Bye!